we're going to be making Waldorf puppets. That's what I'm going to call this. So we're using... It's a funny sock? Okay. These are clean socks, which we're going to be using for our project. So let's show them more close. Okay, so we have a strainer. You can use anything that you find around the house. And then we have the little strainer that we're going to be using. A wooden spoon also can be used. Tape. Some socks. I have some. It is big. Tissue paper, balloons, so really anything that you can find around the house. We're going to be making Waldorf puppets. So we're going to make these into puppets. You blowing the balloon? Thank you for using your breath. So I'm going to use this big strainer. I take the strainer, take the sock, and so when I worked at the Waldorf school, we weren't allowed to have plastic. The focus was more on real raw materials, metal, wood, things. Wow! And then we also didn't focus on specific features. This suppression of detail helps promote imagination in children. So, of course, we have a balance where we have our fair share of plastic toys. And I just teach Phoenix how to recycle. So there's no right or wrong way. That's right. Phoenix is right there. You hear them talking about you? So what's cool is that you don't need a lot to make a puppet. As you can see, I just put the balloon around this top part and I gave this puppet a little scarf so I can start to imagine that this is the face. Hello. Hello, Phoenix. Hello. And now maybe let's make the little kid puppet. Phoenix, can you make the little kid puppet? Can you place that balloon on?
No, Mama's turn.
Mama's turn. Okay, Mama will do it. So I have these socks. And so when I teach social emotional learning and mindfulness, and I wasn't allowed to use my original puppets, it wasn't encouraged in the school because they encourage a more abstract approach to teaching. So I made my puppets out of household items, like a spoon. So like with the tissue paper and the tape, maybe we can make some hair. So it's not about drawing eyes, nose, mouth.
Whoa, so big!
It's so big. We're making this more abstract to just see where the imagination takes us. Oh, no.